that. Well, gents, let us get to where you are seeing opportunity today. Your stock pick, Alex.
Yeah, so the PGM rally at the moment being quite aggressive. We still remain constructive on it. I thought I'll give the viewer something different today, and that is the Rhodium ETF. So when this market is particularly tight, so we know small changes in supply and demand could cause a big spike in it as a very geared play on a PGM basket. And we're seeing, of course, palladium is catching up. Down palladium has done quite well thus far. And with the high admission standards, I think China 6 and so forth, we could expect high demand for rhodium going forward. And because of that tight fundamentals, it could really leap. So if you look at the previous cycle, 2017, 18, 19, rhodium really shot through the roof. I'm not saying it's going to happen again, but it's something to consider if you are bullish on the market and there's very big tightness in supply.
All right. Shane, what are you betting on today?
Nati, when I started out my investment career 30 years ago, they told me the only good time to buy a gold share was when you're covering a short. So with that as broad context, I'm punting Harmony Gold. And the reason is that I just think the gold market is constructively set up for all the gold majors. There are many reasons. We've got the central bank buying by China, by Saudi Arabia, by India. We've got global political uncertainty. And then the main impetus is we have the hostile takeover of the Federal Reserve by Donald Trump. And this has created uncertainty over what is the value of US treasuries, which is the largest asset class in the world of financial assets. And it is causing money to run into safer assets. And one of them is gold. And there's obviously a limited supply. And in general, most investors are underweight mining and gold mining. The gold and the platinum sector together now with the unbundling of Valterra are nearly 20% of the JSE. So it's gone from being a sector that you could ignore to a sector that you simply cannot ignore if it goes up and you're underweight.
All right.
And then I think Harmony have very good South African assets.
All right. Very, very interesting insights there, gents. Thank you so much for your analysis today. Really appreciate it. That is all for Stock Watch tonight. Thanks to our guests, Alex Duys from Umthombo Wealth and Shane Watkins from All Weather Capital. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.